So the tornado sirens are about to go off. Hey guys, it's part 2 of tornado sirens go off. You can hear them. Bro, this is sick, and I'm even on the tramp this time. Now it's out in the street. Whoa! Whoa. This is crazy, bro. Knee flip. Go back to do a knee flip for the buds. You can still hear the siren. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think it's the one over by my house. Whoa. It's still going off? Oh god, here comes the wind. No, the balloon! No, the balloon! Crap, no, the balloon! Crap, get back here. Ah! Popped. God dang. Siren's still going off? Come on, bro. That siren is still going off. I'm confused. That siren is still going off. Get the camera focused. Dude, the siren won't stop, like, blaring. Oh, knee flip for the buds. Oh my god. Shut up! There it goes. Bro, I love that. It's so cool.